Hi guys, it's Divv. Welcome back to my channel and my first video this year. I made this PVC pipe stand and I'd like to share it with you. Here are the materials I used. I got some wire pieces from an old umbrella. I had this plastic bag and a container. You can use any container you want. This is an old paint can, an empty one. You can use a plastic bottle or anything you have at home. And I had this PVC pipe. It's very long and it's about 1 inch wide or 2.5 centimeters. I also got a selfie stick for this purpose and I bought it for about 200 bob. So if you're in Kenya, you can get one in Nairobi CBD for maybe the same price. And it's about 1/2 inch wide, and when I extend it, it's 85 centimeters. That's like 2 feet. So it's pretty long. Now the procedure I decided to follow was I added some wires to the base of the pipe, and this was inspired by a video I watched before, and I'll link it in the description box below. It was a tutorial by someone showing us how to make gym weights, dumbbells at home. So I decided to use it as a inspiration technique to reinforce the PVC pipe. That way when I pour in the mortar or concrete to hold the pipe in place, it will be secure inside. And I'm sticking these metal things near the base of the pipe, but not too close to the bottom, just like really close. Okay, I had to cut the metal pieces. They're too long, it can't fit inside the container, so I had to cut them. I did this like 2 times because it was still kind of long later on in the video. And here are the tiny pieces. You can use like pliers or one of those saw blades that cut metal. Now let's make the mortar or the concrete. Okay, this is mortar because it's sand mixed with cement. Now concrete would involve using ballast stones. Guys, net word. Kokoto. I know the word in Kiswahili, it's kokoto. Okay, I didn't have an exact perfect ratio, but if you were to Google, you'd probably see that the ratio is supposed to be 1:2, or is it 2:3? Okay, just do a Google search, and but even if you have the correct ratio and you don't have enough materials, you will still end up mixing something. Just make sure the cement, there's 1 part cement, 1 part sand, or 1 part cement, 2 parts sand. If you use less cement, it won't be sticky enough. If you use too much cement, I don't know what the problem will that be. And here we are, we mixed. I used only 1 container of the water, and the thickness is about like porridge thick. Oh, I should also mention this video was inspired by another YouTuber, and I decided to try this out for myself because I was really in need of a tripod stand, and in town they're selling one for $13, 1,300 bob. If I had the 1,300 bob, trust me, I would buy the tripod. But because I had the PVC pipe at home and the wires and a bit of sand and everything, I decided to try this instead. The pipe is in and the shoes are now supporting the pipe as I mix more mortar because that wasn't enough for me. So I got some more sand, got some more cement, got another container of water. I mixed everything and now I'm pouring it in again. Now I should have added a piece of newspaper between the metal can and the plastic bag. And you're supposed to leave it to dry for like 2 days, that's 48 hours, but I left it in for too long. Also, I didn't add the newspaper in between the plastic bag and the can, so it was really hard for me to remove the PVC from the can. So now they're bonded together forever, stuck with each other. That's what the final look is looking like. And remember, I said the pipe is really long, you can cut it short. I'm adding some newspaper to the base of the selfie stick just so it sticks firmly inside. And that way when you're done with it, you can take it out and use it as a regular selfie stick in your daily normal life. I put in a phone there just for demonstration. The phone is actually dead, the battery died and the screen is cracked, but here we are. So remember, you can make it as short or as long as you want to. When you expand the selfie stick, you can see it becomes a really tall tripod up to 2 meters. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope it inspired you, and you might enjoy watching my next video, which is how I fixed the broken bendy tripod. Yes, I broke my bendy tripod. I hope to be posting new episodes on Fridays and Saturdays at 4 p.m. East African time, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!